everyone, today I will be showing you the best UK VPN that you can use for Netflix. Netflix is the world's biggest streaming platform. With over 200 million subscribers scattered all over the globe, it is taking the first spot in the podium. From newly released films to classics and even Netflix exclusive shows, the site has everything you need for a weekend movie night. But Netflix has one flaw that makes it impossible to really get a full experience of their app. And that is the geo-blocking that they do. Have you ever wondered why some of the movies and series you initially saw online available in Netflix are not really accessible when you tried opening your app? That's because of the geo-blocking that they do to ensure that their titles are not available globally. Netflix UK has some of the best shows out there. They have some fairly spooky horror films like The Blair Witch Project, some good old action flicks like the Bourne films. If you're looking for a good laugh, Archer never fails to give a good chuckle. These are all exclusive to Netflix UK though, so if you live somewhere else, you can't really watch it. Good thing we have a virtual private network or VPN that can help us do the trick. A VPN works by encrypting your internet traffic and rerouting it to a server, ultimately masking your internet activity. The best VPN is one that can give you a wide choice of servers to connect to, and of course establishes a very good connection so you wouldn't have to load your Netflix. Not a lot of VPNs can do this, but purevpn surely checks all the boxes. Getting purevpn is very easy, and you'll be ready to watch your favorite UK content in no time with it. Let me show you how. The first thing you need to do is download purevpn. A link in the description below will bring you directly to the application. So I suggest you go and click it for a much easier process. You can now choose which plan to subscribe to. Then you need to click the download application button for the download to start. It should get the .exe file downloading in a matter of seconds. After such, click the downloadable file and grant it access to be run as administrator to finish setting up. Next, you might need to sign up for an account before fully getting to use the app. But it is just the same as any other applications, so it should be easy for you. After you've logged in, then you're all set. You can connect to your desired server from the list given by purevpn, including a server in the UK to access your desired classics and new releases. It's easy as pie, right? You can now enjoy watching Netflix in the UK with purevpn, the best VPN in the market today. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this content helpful. Also, make sure to click the link down below so you can get to experience the 7-day free trial of purevpn. If you like seeing videos like this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Keep your notifications open so you'll be updated whenever we upload our videos. Thank you for tuning in and see you in our next video.